The question is, A start a business with rupees 3,500, right? A start a business with 3,500. This is actual GPSC question of 2024. Actual GPSC question 2024. Let's say how much time we take to solve this question. Now A start a business with how much? Rupees 3,500. So A started with 3,500. Time period is involved. B joins with A as a partner after 5 months, right? With some capital we don't know. Let's say capital X. Now B joined this business for 7 months, while this has joined for 12 months, right? After a year, profit is divided in the ratio 2:3. Do you remember that we have solved the similar question or exactly the same question? Now, after 1 year, the profit is now divided in what ratio? 2:3. So first we'll find out the ratio of investment. So 7,500. So how much is the investment of A? 12 fives are 60 followed by 2 zeros. And the investment of B is only X because both get cancelled. Time period is involved. Now the ratio of this is the ratio of investment. Ratio of investment and ratio of profit will be same. So now you write ratio of investment as 6,000 by X of A by B, and the profit is also 2 by 3. So we have to find out the value of X because that is the contribution of B in the business. So first you cancel 2 3 times, cross multiply, cross multiply. So X will be equal to how much? 9,000. That means invested 9,000. A question of 30 seconds to 45 seconds, not more than that you should use in order to solve such question. I'm doing actual question because I want you to understand the paper is not difficult. Even logical reasoning, I told you we have solved some questions of logical reasoning are not difficult. Completing the series, will be doing this. Seating arrangement. We have these questions. This is, remember, blood relation question. Have we solved blood relation? Some of you were there in blood relation. Remember? This is another question which has appeared in 2024 GPSC exam and JSO का है. And if you see JSO, डिप्टी कलेक्टर सब एक जैसे ही हैं, सब में एक जैसा पेपर पूछते हैं ये लोग, कुछ चेंज नहीं करते ज़्यादा. Okay, what is the question? In a family of 6 person, and the people are L, M, N, F, P, Q, there are 2 married couples. So if there are 2 married couples, that means there are 2 people who are bachelor because 4 people will be married. Now what is given? F is the grandmother of L and mother of M. F is the grandmother of L. So F is female and F is the mother of M. So F is the mother of M. So here you can write mother and grandmother. Now N is the wife of M. M is married to N. And they are saying N is a wife of M. So M has to be male. अभी इंडिया में आया नहीं कि फीमेल फीमेल मेल मेल का हो जाए, तो अभी लेके ऐसे ही चलना पड़ेगा कि M is male and N is a wife of M. And N is mother of Q. That means, now see, she must be married to someone, this and this, this and this. There is a probability that, because these two are married, right? And so there might be someone whose grandmother, L can be grandmother of someone who is already married, but not possible because these two are married. So this has to be married. And it is given that Q is the granddaughter of P. So Q is the granddaughter. That means Q is female of P. That means F and P has to be married and P has to be male. So these two has to be brother brother or brother sister. Could be anything, right? Now what is N to L? What is N to L? What is N to L? Tell me the answer. Very good. निकाल दिया तुम्हारा आंसर. ये भी ऑलमोस्ट 1 मिनट का क्वेश्चन है बेटा. ये जीपीएससी ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन पूछता है, लोग फालतू डरते हो पता नहीं क्यों। See the blood relation, we have done blood relation. Those who have missed, please tell me. ये तो कैट का क्वेश्चन है, तुम उठा के गूगल पे चेक कर लो, कैट का क्वेश्चन डाला है इन्होंने। ये लोग कैट का क्वेश्चन डाल देते हैं मैथ्स का। This I'll teach you syllogism. Those who have missed, I'll teach you syllogism. We'll be doing it. This is again number series. This will practice a lot. This is again a CAT ka question. This is set theory. And we have visual reasoning. This is again a CAT ka question. This is again blood relation question. We need number of person required so that this is possible. There is a family party consisting of 2 father, 2 mother, 2 son, and 1 father-in-law, 1 mother-in-law, 1 daughter-in-law, and 1 grandfather, 1 grandmother, and 1 grandson. What is the minimum of person required? See, if I say in a family there are 2 mother and 2 daughter, so minimum number of members in the family can be 3 only, right? Yes or no? If I say in a family there are 2 daughter and 2 mother, it can be grandmother, mother and daughter. Now she is the daughter of this and she is the daughter of this, and 2 mother because she is the mother of this and she grandmother is the mother of this, right? So minimum number of members in the family in this case will be 3. Now here also in the question there are say 2 fathers. So 2 father can be 1 father and 1 father-in-law, because question says that 1 father-in-law. They say 2 mother, so father, mother, married mother-in-law. Now there is a possibility ki then this father and mother, father, mother, and this mother can be mother-in-law for the person who married in this family, and this father can be father-in-law to that female who got married into this family. There is another possibility because you have to minimize it. 1 mother-in-law, 1 daughter-in-law. So let's say this is daughter-in-law. 1 grandfather. Now this daughter-in-law, that means she must be married to someone, right? To son. So they are saying 2 sons. There is a possibility that these 2 also has someone, because say that 1 grandfather, 1 grandmother. So they have another son as well. So now it follows, right? Consists of 2 fathers. 1 father, 1 father. 2 mothers, 1 mother, 1 mother. 2 son. This is 1 son and this can be another son. 1 father-in-law, so 1 father-in-law, 1 mother-in-law. 1 daughter-in-law, she is the daughter-in-law. 1 grandfather, so this is the grandfather. 1 grandmother, so this is a grandmother. And 1 grandson, so this is a grandson of this. So how many minimum number of members you can put into this family? 5. Yes or no? Check the answer. Yeah. D. D is what? 5. See? I hope you understood this.